Factorize algebraic expressions. Break out the greatest possible factor. 24a plus 8. We can write 24 to 8 times 3a plus 8. And 8 are the highest common factor. We write it out the brackets, and 3a plus 1 are left. B, 15b minus 6. 15, we can factorize 15, 3 times 5, b, minus 6, 3 times 2. And the highest common factor are 3. We write it out the brackets, and 5b minus 2 are left. We write it in the brackets. X power 3 plus x power 2. X equal x power 3 x times x times x times x. X power 2 equal x times x. The highest common factor are x times 2 in the both terms. We write it out the brackets, and x are left plus 1 in the brackets. 5 a times 4 a power 4 minus 10 a power 2. 5 a power 4 minus 10 a power 2. 5 times a power 2 times a power 2 minus 5 times 2 a power 2. The highest common factor are 5 power 2. 5 power 2. We write it out the brackets. We open a brackets, and left in the first term a power 2, and in the second term minus 2. 5 power a power 2 brackets a power 2 minus 2. Example E, 18x plus 6, and the factors of 18, we can write it 6 times 3 times x plus 6. The highest common factor are 6. We write it out the brackets, and we open a brackets. The left in the first term are 3x, and in the second term is 1. Example F, 6a plus 36. 6a equal 6a plus 6 times 6. 36, we can write it 6 equals 6 times 6. And the highest common factor is between the two terms are 6. We write it out the brackets. We open up brackets. In the first term, a are left. In the second term, 6 are left. J, 9 plus 81y. 81 is 9 times 1, 9, 81. And the 9 is the highest common factor. We write it out the brackets. We open a brackets. We have 1 left here, and 9y in the second term. 24x minus 2x power 2. 24, we can write it like 2 times 12 x minus 2 x power 2. And the higher common factor is 2x 2x. We write it out the brackets, we open a brackets, and in the first term the numbers left are 12, and in the second term, because we have x power 2, the x power 2 equal x times x, and we have minus x left in the second term. So the first term 12 are left, and in the second term minus x. Simplify the expression. A, 15x y power 2 divided by 12x y. 15, we can write it like 3 times 5 times x times y times y. And 12, 3 times 4 times x times y. This we can simplify this y with this y, and this x with this x, this 3 with this 3, and we have left 5y divided by 4. 5y divided by 4. B, 16y minus 8 divided by 8. 16, we can write it like 8 times 2, y, minus 8 divided by 8. We can the highest common factor is 8, so we have 2y minus 1 left. 8 in the first term and 8 in the another term. 2y in the first term left and 1 in the second term left. Now we can take off the both 8, and the answer, it will be 2y minus 1. C, 18a power 2 plus 36a power 3 divided by 9a power 2. 18 power 2, 36, we can write it like 18 times 2 power 2 times a. And we see that we have the highest common number here, 18 power 18. It's a combination between 18 and a power 2, and we can take out of the brackets 18 a power 2. We have 1 left in the first term and 2a left in the second term. And equal 18 with 9. We can take, it will be 1 here, 1 here, and 9, 1 here, and 2 here. The answer will be 2 brackets 1, 2 times the brackets 1 plus 2a. The last example. D, 3/4 x power 3 times y power 2 divided by 5/4 x power 2 times y times 2 times x power 1. 3/4 x power 3 times y power 2 divided by 5/4 times x power 2 times y power 2 times x power 1. We can write it like 3 times x power 3 times y power 2 divided by 4 and divided all this fraction divided by 5 times x power 3 times y power 2 divided by 4. And we can change the division to the multiplication. When we change the place of the another fraction. 4, it will be here, and 5 times x power 3 y power 2 here. And we see here we can take 4 with 4 and x power 3 y power 3 with x power 3 y power 2, x power 3 y power 2 with x power 3 y 2. Rest we have 3 fifths.